Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's January 26th, Thursday morning, and grain markets are higher across the board with commodity markets in general. The main thing is the Fed announced their minutes yesterday and showed that they will extend the zero interest rate policy until the end of 2014, which has got the trade excited. And then Mr. Bernanke, his comments yesterday afternoon, did not rule out a QE3, and I think that's providing a lot of idea that inflation will continue, money flow and money supply will be large. They got to find somewhere to go with it, so therefore we're going to the commodity markets again and seeing some fund buying and some just overall buying here this morning. Lack of any type of selling is the reason for the strength in the grain markets. Some of the fundamental news that we deal with here this morning: the USDA did announce the weekly export sales numbers. They put corn old crop at 958,000 tons, 82,000 new crop, and trade was looking for anywhere from 600 to 1 million, so pretty much in line there. In the soybeans, trade was looking for 720 to 1.1 million tons of soybeans sold. Came in at 466 and 126 as far as the 2013 crop. In the wheat, 600 was the number that USDA came out with. That was in range 450 to 700 or 750 is what the trade was estimating there. So good corn export sales. Bean exports are pretty dismal when you look at what the trade was expecting and what actually occurred. The weather situation in South America seems like the drought is over. There's rain moving through again early next week, anywhere from a half to inch and a half coverage. Some of the reports out of Brazil here is that farmers are coming in, planting their double crops and getting underway here, and very excited about the potential there. With the rain has changed their attitude tremendously. So overall, grain took out some technical chart points last night. Corn took out the 100-day moving average. Wheat took out a long-term downtrend here, and a strong close of the day on the wheat could activate more buying as funds come out of their short positions. As the funds are heavily short in the wheat contract, breaking that downtrend could activate some buying there. So something that you have to watch out for here today, which if we get strength in the wheat, it certainly should provide some positive influences to the corn here also. In the livestock trade, we had no cash trade yet. We're seeing and hearing of some bids at 120 to 121. Last week, cattle traded at 125 to 126. So that is not very inviting by feedlots right now. Feel that we still got a chance of trading it unchanged this week. Cutout values just up slightly, up 65 cents in the choice. Select up 64 cents. It appears like what we're seeing here is, with a reduction in slaughter that we've seen in cattle over the last couple of weeks, you should see the retail prices move higher. Yet packers can't move the beef at the prices that they need. So it seems like there's some real struggle going on in the demand side of beef right now, is the reason why we're not seeing beef prices work higher. So even though we've got very tight supplies of fed cattle, the question is, will packers continue to pay these prices? And yet some margins are now in the red, $100 plus for slaughtering cattle. That certainly is not an incentive to keep the slaughter chains running as fast as they have been. In the pork complex, cutout values there were down slightly. Overall, futures in the overnight session was steady to mixed, up 10, down 10 kind of action there. Expect to see some support come onto that market as the outside markets continue to support commodities, and expect to see the bear spreads and the hogs work as the higher grain prices support higher hog prices here down the road. So watch the macro situation today. The dollar sharply lower here as we speak, down 40. Any fluctuation there, change in that could change the attitude of the investors and money flow in these markets. So the pulses on the macros here this morning. Keep an eye on that. Keep in touch with Allendale's research at 800-262-7538. We wish you a very successful trading day. We'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.